Assalamu alaikum. If we cannot find the solution in Quran, which source should we search for that solution?
Salamun alaikum, Tibtu Mubarakatum Tayyiba. Dear audience, my dear brothers and sisters, first of all, I would like to request all of you to open the Quran and take the Quran on your hand and find out the verses of the Holy Quran, what I am telling to you as a reference. Then you match with this lecture and then you decide what is the right solution, a real solution of human being. The Quran is one and only book, revealed book, divine book to follow for leading our life. My dear brothers and sisters, here we are going to discuss the answer of the question. If anyone asks this like, if we don't find a solution in the Holy Quran, first of all, you see, my dear brothers and sisters, why you are talking this like, why you are not finding the solution in the Holy Quran. But Allah has said, has declared and stated in various verses in the Holy Quran, the Quran is fully detailed. Quran is complete, detailed, and self-explanatory. And Quran is such a book which is full of solution. So Allah has mentioned this matter in Surah Hud, Surah number 11, verse number 6. Kullun fi kitabim mubin. Kullun fi kitabim mubin. Everything is in the open book, manifest book. Quran is the open book. Quran is mubin. Mubin, that means open and manifest. So there will be no question. That means you are not finding the solution in the Quran, but Allah has answered the question. Quran is a full of solution. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in another verse in Surah Anam, Surah number 6, verse number 38, Ma farratna fil kitabi min shayin. Ma farratna. Allah has made this verse, used the ma, it's a particle of negative word, but it is being used la, but Allah used ma for increasing confidence and surety and purity and solidity. Allah said, Ma faradna. That means I didn't left anything. I didn't leave anything. Nothing is left. I didn't leave anything else in the Holy Quran, in the noble book, glorious book, in Al Quran. The Quran is such a book which is full of explanation, full of solution. So we have no right to search any other source except the Quran, because Quran is full of solution, complete code of life, complete constitution of human being. Just ask the Quran, Quran will answer you. Ask the Quran regarding any type of problem, then Quran will give you the solution. Quran will answer the question, Quran will solve the problem. You will get every type of solution of every type of problem in the Holy Quran. But Allah has said, وَنَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ تِبْيَانًا لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ. I might have revealed the Quran upon you, O Son of Muhammad, and this book is full of explanation of everything. So this is very much clear for us and you. That means you will never find, you will never search any solution except the Quran. If you don't find the solution in the Quran, that matter, that issue is not for you. That is outside of the Quran. Because Allah has said in Surah Ma'idah, Surah number 5, verse number 1, Inna Allah yahkum ma yurid. Allah orders. Allah gives law. Allah gives laws and regulation, what He wills, what He intends. Inil hukmu illa lillah. There is no any lawgiver except Allah. Allah is one and only legislator, lawgiver. So Quran is the only source of Islamic law, only solution of human being or for whole humankind. Quran is one and only divine book to follow, only book to solve the problem. So nobody has right, none has right to search any other source except the Quran. So read out the ayat of Quran, and you just go through the details of the Quran, then you will get the answer of every question, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Keep the Mubarak and Tayyiba.